Hello everyone, I'm Alfian and today we are going to solve the HackerRank algorithm preparation challenge called the warm-up. And then for this challenge we are going to solve the birthday cake candles. And then for the description it says that we are going to solve how much candles are the tallest, and then we are going to solve it and returning the value as the integer, and then we're returning one by one to find which one is the tallest among the other else. And then for this example we got two value that is considered the tallest one, and then this is the sample output, which is 2. And then without further ado, let's write this. In this video I have two methods to solve this challenge, and for the first one we are going to use the traditional for of loop, and then for the current maximum value we can use the infinity, and then we declare the current counter as 0, and then we are using the for constant candle of candles, and then inside the iteration we can use the if statement to check if the current iteration or the current candle is higher than the current max value. Let's see. If candle is higher than the max value, then we can set the current max value as the candle, and then set the counter as 1. So for the counter as 1, if it turns out we found the more higher value other than the previous iteration, then we will reset the counter as 1 from the start again. And then for the else if the candle is the same as the current max value, then we can counter plus plus or incrementing the counter by 1, and then we can simply return the counter. So let's run this to see if it works. Let's submit this to make sure the other custom inputs are fulfilled perfectly. And then for the other, let's adjust this window, and then for the other method we can use the built-in JavaScript function called the mathmax with the spread operator. We can determine with the constant, we can use the constant or the length max using the math.max. Math.max is, if you haven't know it yet, it's about finding the highest value among the other value. Like for example, if it's inside the array, then we can use the spread operator of the candles. And then to remind you, if the candles array is 4 4 1 3, then the parameter inside the math.max will be filled by the 4, comma, and then 4, comma, and then 1, and then 3, and so on and so forth. And for the return value, we can just return the value with the candles, and then using the filter, can use filter and then current candle as the iteration, and then we can use the implicit return, which is comparing it with the candle with the max. If it's strictly equal to the max, and since it will return as the array because we are using filter, and then we can use the length property. That way we are returning how much or the candle that is considered the tallest inside the array. Okay, so let's submit this. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any other solutions or questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.